guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will be teaching you how to use FBA, okay? If you guys want to stick around and watch, just go ahead and keep watching. Oh my God. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we will be talking about Amazon's FBA program. So if you're new and you don't know what Amazon FBA program is, it basically means fulfillment by Amazon. So what you do is you send all your inventory to the warehouse and then they take care of the rest. They do the picking, the packing, and all the shipping. They handle all the customer service and you have to do nothing else but just send all your inventory in. They can even do the labeling for you for the books because they need to have labels on them or whatever product you're trying to sell. But I don't suggest you doing that. The best bet, I mean, besides the Amazon FBA, is where you can do fulfillment by merchant. And that's when you keep your inventory at your house, and once you get an order received, then you complete the shipping and the packaging and all the customer service. If you were to get, questions or emails, then you would be the one to answer that stuff. But simply put, Amazon's FBA program is the best bet. It does cost $39.99 a month to keep it, but it's a pretty good program. And on top of that, you are eligible for Prime selling. So any customers that have their Prime memberships, they can buy from you. They get their stuff a lot faster, which means you can scale your business because you have more time to go sourcing, find more products and add them to your line. So if you guys want a quick reference, I made a video specifically showing you on my screen how to sign up for the Amazon FBA program. I'm gonna leave a link here so you guys can enjoy that video and watch it as well. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that video, and if you enjoyed it, then please go ahead and like, subscribe, leave a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends, tell others about it. If they want to also learn how to sell on Amazon, I will be right here teaching you guys how to do it. Thank you so much for watching.